Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the right side of the glove box. Remove the 2 stops from the glove box by pushing in on them from the outside. Allow the glove box to hang towards the floor. Push down on the 2 clips to unhinge the cover from the housing. Push in on one side of the old filter to grab a corner and pull it out of the housing.
Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.
Install your new filter straight into the housing with its airflow indicator arrow pointing down. Clip the cover back onto the housing and make sure the bottom tabs are secure. Pull out on the dampener cord while you partially close the glove box. Reattach the dampener cord to the right side of the glove box. Partially close the glove box and reinstall the 2 stops. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.